Welcome to the Bichota Canyon Trail, just outside Los Angeles and on the way to Palm Springs for the latest incarnation of 20 things to do with an object matrix faceplate. When I knew I was coming over to Palm Springs to do a HPA event, I thought, why not pack a chunk of metal in my bag and head out to one of the creeks and valleys and canyons where gold has certainly been found and continues to be found. Highly unlikely I'm going to find anything, but let's give it a go. One of the ways they reckon to do it is to pile in a load of dirt and then wash the silt away. The other is to block it in some sort of dam. So I'm going to give this one a go first. And if I don't make my fortune, I'm heading over there. Rocks, rocks, and more rocks. As you can probably see, slim pickings. Try again. Turns out panning for gold with an old object matrix faceplate ain't so bloody easy. Stunning location. This little area has been spoilt by idiots littering, but yeah, pretty cool. Right, one last go. What we call this again. Right, significantly cracked. Possibly some flecks of gold, but I very much doubt it. So, not quite an epic fail, but not a bad effort, and a bit of fun. May have come up empty-handed, but that's another one knocked off the list, and a pretty stunning environment in which to do a recycled object matrix faceplate video. Diolch!